Immediately after MLC election, since more than three BJP MLAs had cross-voted for the Congress candidate, had requested our leader of opposition to call legislative party meeting here in Dharmasthala and test our loyalty of our MLAs. But at a later stage, when all our senior leaders suggested not to do so, I, being a strong devotee of Dharmasthala Manjunatheshwara, I came here today with all our Udupi and Mangalore district MLA and MPs. Just I prayed before Lord Manjunatheshwara for party's well-being. Apart from this, now I made it very clear, because there was a strong rumor and false propaganda that has been carried out in media, social media, that I am the cause for the cross-voting, because some of our leaders feel that I have personal relationship and business relationship with DK Shivakumar, which is not true. So I, being a president of the Bharatiya Janata Party, it's our responsibility also. We have taken this matter very seriously. Our national leadership has taken this cross-voting matter very seriously. Ultimately, the truth will come out. Even though it's a secret voting, truth has to come out today or tomorrow.